Hi student, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad problem. Our question is x into x minus x into x is equal to 100. Our answer is x is equal to 5. Let's check how this answer is possible. We are solving this equation step by step and prove that this answer is correct. This is our question and this is answer. First step, we write quantity of x 1 2 3, x into power 3 minus right side x into power 2 is equal to 100. In next step, this 100 move into this position, change their value from positivity to negative. X cube minus x square minus 100 is equal to 0. As we know that minus 100 is also equal to 125 minus 25. 125 minus 25 is equal to 100. X cube minus x square minus 125 minus 25 is equal to 0. In next step, we open these brackets. X cube minus x square minus 125 minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus 25 is equal to 0. This In next step, we rearrange these equations. This equation by this and this by this. X cube minus 125 minus x square plus 25 is equal to 0. X cube minus 125 is also equal to 5 cube. 5 cube is equal to 125. We write 5 cube replaced by 125 minus x square minus 25 is equal to 5 square. We replace 25 is by 5 square. In next step, we use these Olympiad algebraic formulas. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Formula number 2 is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. First we apply this. Our a is x and our b is 5. Our final value a minus b, x minus 5 into a square is equal to x square plus ab is equal to 5x plus b square is equal to 5 square. 5 square is also equal to 25 minus this x plus 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. In next step, we write common x minus 5 into x square plus 5x plus 25. We write this value minus x plus 5 all bracket close is equal to 0. In next step, x minus 5 into x square plus 5x plus 25, open this bracket, minus x minus 5 minus into plus is also equal to minus. Minus 5 whole bracket close is equal to 0. In next step, x minus 5 is common, bracket start, x square plus 25 minus 5 is also equal to 20. X square plus 4x, 5x minus x is equal to 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. We solve left side x minus 5 is equal to 0. X move into this side, x is equal to plus 5. This is our first answer. And let we solve right side, x square plus 4x is equal to 20 is equal to plus 20 is equal to 0. Now we solve our right hand side, x square plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. Our a is 1, our b is 4, our value of c is 20. we use nice exponential formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Putting these values in this formula, x is equal to b is equal to 4 minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into c is equal to 20 divided by 2 into 1. In next step we solve this. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4 multiplied by 20 is equal to 80 divided by 2 into 1 is also equal to 2. X is equal to this minus 4 plus minus 16. 80 minus 16 is also equal to minus 64 divided by 2. In next step we solve this under root minus 64. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 64 into minus 1 divided by 2. This minus 1 is also equal to iota, and root 64 is also equal to 8. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus and root 64 is 8 minus 1 is equal to iota. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus 8 iota divided by 2. X is equal to this cut by this remains 2 minus 2 plus minus this 2 cut by this remains 4. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 iota. X is equal to this 5. These two are our answer. This is x is equal to 5 is our simple answer. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 iota is equal to our complex answer. Let's solve and verify this answer. X is equal to 5. Our question is x cube minus x square is equal to 100. X square into x minus 1 is equal to 100 and also equal to 25 multiplied by 4. X square into x minus 1 is equal to 25 is also equal to 5 square into 4 is equal to 5 minus 1. These value x is equal to 5 square is equal to 25 into 5 minus 1 4. This is 100 and our final value of x is 5. Now our answer is also same by two different methods. This is method number 2 to solve this nice Olympiad math, and this is method number 1. This is important Olympiad method for solve this question. Our answer is x is equal to 5. Thank you for watching video till end. Please subscribe for more interesting math problems.